Hi everyone, my name is Artificial Mikhail, and here at that channel we are talking about artificial intelligence, its past, future and present. As I promised in our last video, where we were talking about the definition of artificial intelligence, today I will speak about the definition of computer vision. Well, computer vision we can define as subsection of a common artificial intelligence definition, theory and technology that deals with how we can make and program system for gaining and processing high-level understanding from digital images or videos. So that's all about the definition of the computer vision. In our future video, we will speak about another subsection of artificial intelligence, about speech recognition. So subscribe and dare to know. See you soon.